Hello friends, would you dare to visit the gateway to the hell? And have you ever heard of a place where fire dances day and night? Where the earth breathes out flames? And where time feels like it is stood still for centuries? Really, welcome to Erta Ale, the blazing heart of Ethiopia's Afar Depression, also known as the gateway to the hell. But this is not just a volcano. It is a mystery. It's a legend, a spectacle unlike anywhere else on our planet. Stay with me and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more deep dives into the world of elegance. Today, we are going to explore the lava lakes, burning craters, the Earth's youngest land, and a landscape that is so alien. It feels like another planet, really. Let us begin our journey into this amazing fire. Stay with me. Erta Ale is located in the Danakil Depression in Afar National Regional State, which is located in the northeastern part of Ethiopia. This area is one of the hottest and most inhospitable places on Earth. But despite this hostile condition, Erta Ale draws scientists, explorers, nature lovers, and brave tourists from all over the world with its elegance. Here one question: what makes Erta Ale this much so special? Take this into consideration while visiting this place. Erta Ale is part of the East African Rift Valley system, where the Earth's tectonic plates are slowly tearing apart. This geological activity fuels the volcano and creates one of the rarest sites on our planet Earth. So, Erta Ale is not just a volcano. It is one of the few places on Earth where a permanent lava lake exists. Imagine this: a huge, bubbling pool of molten lava, constantly churning and also glowing in a bright orange and red, which is very amazing. Let me also ask you another question. Why is this lava lake so rare? Yes, most lava lakes are temporary. They erupt and disappear. But Erta Ale's lava lake has been active for decades, sometimes erupting and some other times collapsing, but always alive. So the lake is like a window into the Earth's core, a place where we can see the planet's inner energy that is raw, untamed, and mesmerizing. Let me also tell you a recent fun fact about the Erta Ale, which happened during 2017. An eruption caused the lava lake to overflow and destroy part of the nearby settlements in the Afar region, which is located in the northeastern part of Ethiopia. Even today, scientists monitor the activity using drones and satellites. But did you know that people actually live near this active volcano? Really, the Afar people have adapted to this harsh environment for centuries. Perhaps this area is the cradle of human being, where your ancestors are alive also today. They mine salts from the desert, they trek for days across the lava field, and even guide tourists up to the volcano. Despite living near this danger, they have developed a deep relationship with the land and its power. Let me also share you a powerful quote from the Afar elders. They said, "The mountain breathes a fire, but it also gives us a life. Wonderful quotes. The resilience is a powerful reminder of human adaptability and respect for our nature. Yes, really. Let me also share you 6 surprising facts you didn't know about the Erta Ale. The first one is Erta Ale means smoking mountain in Afar language. Smoking mountain. The second fact is it is one of the most continuously active volcanoes on Earth. And the third fact is the lava lake can reach up to 1200 degrees centigrade. This is hot enough to melt steel. Really amazing. The fourth fact is part of the triple junction, where the 3 tectonic plates meet, creating massive geological strait. That is the Afar Triangle. The fifth fact is the entire region is now sinking. It is sinking. And it could one day become a new ocean. Or it may become apart from the African continent and also become one another new continent to our planet. The sixth fun fact is the NASA has studied the area to prepare astronauts for the Martian mission. Really amazing. Yes, Erta Ale is not just a tourist attraction. It is a symbol of the Earth's raw energy, a laboratory for science, and reminder of nature's unstoppable power. It tells us a story about planetary evolution, human survival, and the fragile line between beauty and danger at once. So now you know that there is a place where the earth never sleeps, where the fire beneath never dies, and where danger and wonder walk hand in hand. That place is Erta Ale. Erta Ale, the smoking land. If this fiery journey amazed you, please don't forget to like this video, share this video to your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Let me also ask you, would you visit the Erta Ale? Please comment below and join me next time as I uncover most secrets of our elegant world. Until then, stay amazed and be curious. Thanks for watching